that one you get 240 pairs of full charge.
Okay, that's also good.
Oh, don't leave it alone.
Ah. We're gonna cause some problem. How do you do that?
Press the button.
There.
Yeah.
This car using a petrol.
No, only electric.
Only electric.
Yes.
No exhaust,
Nothing.
nothing. I want this car.
Okay, now we've got some space. That's nice.
Maybe God gave us a little bit of a gap.
I'm gonna dice the police car now. Yes, it goes, eh? That's amazing.
I had a guy do 100 down the stretch from that speed bump.
Is this the
bend?
Yes, this is the indicator.
From
Yo.
the speed bump to the bend, you got 100. I was surprised for that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna take that chance.
But I mean, you're saying he used to be a stock car driver, and he's
Okay.
even you're surprised at how quickly the car picks up. And like
So
throttle
this
reaction,
thing, 0 to 100, how fast is that?
you're looking at like just over 7 seconds.
7 seconds. Yeah, that's good, eh?
Yeah. 0 to 60, 4 seconds.
4 seconds. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the first 60 is like the feeling now, eh?
Yeah.
It's good, eh?
And
Have you driven yourself?
yeah, I have driven it
Okay. Nice. How many times?
quite a few times. I love this car. Like
Yeah.
if it was in my budget range, I'd buy one.
Yeah, what's it? 525 or what's that?
125,000, yeah, for the base model.
That's too much. How much for this one?
This one is has a little bit of optional extras. So you're looking at a little bit extra, go around the circle and come back up.